In the world of embedded systems, a bootloader is the tiny but powerful program that decides how your device starts and what software it runs. Without it, firmware updates and secure booting wouldn't be possible. A bootloader is the very first piece of code that runs when you power on a device. Think of it like a stage manager at a theater. It sets the stage before the main performance begins. Its job is to initialize hardware, check for update signals, and finally, load the main firmware. Here's how the sequence works. First, the bootloader wakes up the system. Then, it decides whether to stay in update mode or continue to the existing firmware. Finally, it hands over control to the application firmware, which is the actual operating software of the device. Updating firmware isn't just about replacing old code with new code. It must be safe and secure. The typical process goes like this. Step 1. The device receives the new firmware package. Step 2. It verifies the digital signature to ensure the firmware is authentic and not tampered with. Step 3. It performs a safe swap or activation of the new firmware, so even if the update fails, the system can roll back to the last working version. Security is crucial. Signature verification ensures that only trusted firmware runs on the device. Rollback protection prevents attackers from forcing the device back to a vulnerable older version. These two features, authenticity and rollback defense, keep the device safe from malicious updates. Modern devices often make this simple. A single button tab starts the update. Behind the scenes, the bootloader carefully verifies, installs, and activates the new firmware. To the user, it feels effortless, but under the hood, it's a highly secure and carefully orchestrated process. So remember, the bootloader is the foundation of safe firmware management. With signature checks, rollback protection, and well-designed update flows, devices remain safe and reliable, ready for the future.